Hello, good morning, my dear student. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Today I come with the questions of NCERT of page number 74. Page number 74 is the questions of NCERT after the topic of carbon and compound. Lots of topics are there. There are lots of things are there. Oxidation, reduction, conversion of ethanol to ethanoic acid. After the page number 71, we also discussed the page number 71. Why the conversion with ethanol to ethanoic acid and oxidation reaction, a mixture of oxygen and ethane is burnt for welding. Can you tell why mixture of ethane and air is not used? So the some important carbon compound ethanol or ethanoic acid, the properties of ethanol and properties of ethanoic acid and water. After that the question comes as the carbon and its compound for class 10. This is a sorts of class 10th of chemistry. So my dear student, question number 1, how would you distinguish experimentally between an ethanol and a carboxylic acid? When a carboxylic acid, how would you distinguish experimentally in an experimental way in a lab between an ethanol and a carboxylic acid? When a carboxylic acid reacts with sodium carbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, it gives carbon dioxide which comes out with effervescence and turns lime water milky. That is that you can see the acid. That you can see the acid. The acid is there. The acid is there, and that is the sodium hydrogen carbonate and carbonate. That gives you the effervescence of turn lime water. On the other hand, alcohol do not evolve carbon dioxide when treated with sodium carbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Alcohol is not going to react with the sodium carbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. So the question is, how do you distinguish experimentally between an ethanol and a carboxylic acid? We distinguish between an ethanol and carbonic acid react with the sodium hydrogen carbonate and it gives you the sodium acetate, and that is the water and carbon dioxide, and it does not react with the sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. So what are the oxidizing agent? Question number 2. An oxidizing agent or an oxidant is a substance that provide oxygen to remove hydrogen from the other substance to be oxidized and itself get reduced. So itself get reduced, and also an oxidizing agent accept electrons from the other species. Common oxidizing agent used as a hydrogen peroxide, ozone, alkaline or acidic potassium permanganate, acidic potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7, H2O2O3, and the cheminophore and the nitric acid, etc. So these are the two questions. How do you distinguish experimentally between an ethanol and carboxylic acid, and what are the oxidizing agents? Thank you for watching my short. This is Surya, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Give more views, and subscribe my channel and share to those students who are the aspirant of CBSE 2000 board examination 2026 class 10th.